Hey, Steve Noble, Noble Moto. Got my buddy's 250 Ninja up on the lift, and today we're going to cover removal and reinstallation of the seat. To remove the seat, you're going to need the key. So you got two locks back here. This one is a helmet lock. If you put the key in there and turn it, you'll see this little pin slides out. See a little pin move backwards there? There, you can hook your helmet latch in there, and that will keep your helmet locked to your bike so nobody steals it. Downside of the location is that means your helmet's going to be right up next to a hot muffler. So, yeah, use it at your own judgment, but that's what the feature is. Anyway, turn it back, it locks just like that. To remove the seat, it's this upper key here. Put the key in. Now, before you try to turn the key, push down on the seat. Put some notable pressure into it because there's little rubber grommets in there and you need to compress them down. Otherwise, you'll be putting a ton of load on that tiny little key. So push down, turn the key to the right, lift up the back of the seat just like that. Ta-da, should come right off of there. If it doesn't, push down the seat more and wiggle the key back and forth. So now the seat's off. You see how when you turn this thing, it moves this whole assembly here. If your wiring harness has moved and been difficult, if this little latch here breaks or anything's rusty and cruddy, it's going to be hard to get to that. Now when you put the seat back on, remember, these clips here latch into these. This little hook right here, that latches into these little brackets there. So when you go to put it back on, put the front in first. This little plastic tab has to go into this little hole right here. Slide that in there, slide it forward, slide it all the way forward. And you can just push it down, but I like to take a little pressure off the latch. So we'll turn the key, don't force it. Push down, lean on it with your forearm. Just like that. Lift up on the back end of it. If it comes off, you did it wrong. If it doesn't come off, you did it correctly. So, there you have that.